Hey members, why not have a little fun? I just want to get up and running with this new video software, so having fun with it, checking out its limitations, and we're about to do the Dow Jones opening bell. So on the 248, what we have here, still going up, 512. I think we're in a kill zone over here. So looking as if it's going to go up, but let's do a quick analysis on this. Okay, so I'm going to use my keyboard, 0 to 1, and then just go through the analysis. Ooh, I want to go long already. Okay, the show forward says as the trend direction looks good because 2 is above 10, turning point spacing, 2 is in the right place, moving to 3, scaling. If we click on the turning point, press Y on the keyboard, things get circular, looks all right. Then we can maybe just adjust that slightly. What I'm looking for over here. Is that lining up? That, and then there'll be a nodal point. Move over there. Okay, now we're starting to see that with that scaled in nicely, that this becomes our range of possibility. I'm going to put a non-probability box over there as the PRI is out there. And of course, price is where it is. I don't do that. All right, so what's next? Scaling's done. Kill zone. Very nice move on the impulse. Kill zone confirmation, looking good to me. Time projection. So real close, look. Dude, it's so cool to have this software, I must tell you. It's eradicated so many problems of mine. Just like what MTOPS is to trading, the software is for me. Cube roots, you can tell that first option's there. Next is right there. I think it's a bit deep. So look at the full cycle. I'd be surprised if it went as far as that. I'll keep it as an option, it's not an impossibility. Let's see what happens. So I think anything before there really is not going to be it. So now we're looking at this white space as a highest probability arena of potential action within the Dow Jones markets in the days to come. Okay, so cube roots, obviously that's the cube root. So there's this facility from a time aspect. I'm going to look up here. The cube root works very well with the peak on the sine wave. And then of course, the time closing into the trough of the sine wave. So both good indicators that we're starting to see the next turning point be in this region, should this be a 1 and 2 moving up. Why I like using the circles as a scaling tool is it brings in like a kind of realistic snapshot of what it all looks like from a energetic perspective. So it gives us a kill zone confirmation, which is something I look out for. Okay, the oscillator is kind of switching, looking to go to the upside over there. Man, I actually want to get into position. Price. Okay, so that's why I get to my fan lines. Okay, the fan line's quite steep, so I don't think that's going to be the case. What I'm looking for is perhaps a midpoint crossing one of these instead. So I'm going to bring out my protractor, which is the reverse GAN. Start looking at potential moves along there. And it seems to be a bit early to tell. Yeah, a little bit early to tell this time. So I'll just leave a marker there. This is the way I trade. You guys can customize MTOPS to your own environment, but that's the way I roll. Okay, so now this is starting to become this spot for me. And bring it back. Let go fan line arc curve. So we are on arc 4, fan line 1/1. Okay, so that's my analysis of the 512 on the Dow Jones. One of my favorite markets. I love indexes. Okay, it looks like, oh, I need to get into a position. Okay, I'm going to go through this real quick. I'm not going to analyze that. Oh, the consolidation's building up for this move. Even if you bring that up there, let's put 4 down. Trying to break out a kill zone. All right, so I'm going to get off real quick and open up this position. Actually, I don't know why I need to get off. I can get on to the screen in front of you. What time is it? Okay, cool. So 8 minutes until the open bell kicks off. Let's go to cash. I mean, it's been a pretty decent day yesterday. So let's expand on that. Okay, so we go to Squash. And I'm going to close that and bring him back. Yeah, my son's home. I have to go and jam with him. Okay, so I just want to set my parameters correctly. But to do so, what I'm going to do, I suppose we can go down to the 2 minutes. And I quickly set this up. So that'll be 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5, 6, 7. That 8's in quadrant 3. Interesting. Where could I have gone wrong? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Okay, let's try that again. Consolidating markets are the absolute enemy to MTOPS. Myself and my strategy, and most traders in the world, very strongly dislike consolidating markets. Very strange setup here. All right, so I want to set my stop loss quite deep, just in case. Instead of going through the pressure of it myself, I'm going to go stop loss, go to copy, then go across to the MetaTrader, go to stop loss, paste, go risk 1:1, and do 3% of account. Hey, 3% of account. All looks well. Other than I'm going to deepen this a little more. Open the trade and say, bring daddy the profit. Bring daddy the profit. Already in $300, $400, $500 profit. So I'm looking to make maybe $8,000 on this. And let's see, maybe it works out. If it doesn't, the next trade will definitely make up for it. But trading the open trade, open ball is like one of the most exciting things to do. So I'm going to sit back and enjoy. All right, guys, that's it for right now. Any questions, send me an email or a message on Telegram. And I look forward to tomorrow's YouTube Live, where we go through everything together as a community. Ciao for now.